Market Shots are short video segments designed to help you develop a trading strategy that you can stick with. Here to help you is the Chief Market Strategist for the Market Guys, A.J. Monty.
Our next strategy is the breakout strategy or breakout method. This is a very popular strategy amongst traders, and I'd like to show you the correct way to do it. Now, in order to do this, you need to select a stock that has fairly high volatility levels. This does not work very well when stocks are laying flat, as you'll see in the example here. This is FSLR. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you so you can see the points that I'm referring to. What we're looking for in a breakout strategy is an existing high or resistance point. Let me just pick this level right here for you. Now this particular high is a point in which the sellers came in and pushed the stock to the lower level. Now once you have a resistance point established, then you have a reference point to put a buy stop order into the system. Now your trading system, depending on who your broker is, may vary, and you'll have to become more familiar with how to enter the order. A buy stop is when you put in an instruction in with your broker to buy the stock only when the stock moves to the higher level. So in other words, if you have a resistance point here and you put in a buy stop above this line, as long as the stock is trading below this line, you're not going to get a buy execution. So it's important that you understand that. So number one, you place a buy stop at a point over that resistance point, and then you immediately, as soon as that order executes, you immediately put a sell stop below that line that was formerly resistance. You see, when a stock breaks out over resistance, many times it will act as support. So you can see here that the stock broke out at this point. It then came back and held the support. So what you want to do is you want to put a stop loss order somewhere below that line. Now, the key here in your success is going to be putting in a trailing stop. A trailing stop is an order that you give to your broker through the trading platform that tells them, sell my stock when it goes down below the line, but as the stock goes up, we're going to move that stop order up with the price of the stock. Now usually the breakout strategy is only good for a few days. In most cases the breakout strategy is only good for a few days. Now what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to really show you another reference point here. I'm just moving along to show you the different resistance areas. Here we have another resistance point. This high is where I'm going to draw the horizontal line. Now I'm going to put a buy stop above that high, and you can see here as the time is gone, nothing is happening with my buy stop. There's absolutely nothing happening at this point. It only executes when the stock moves over that particular line. Now, as soon as it moves over the line, your buy order is executed, and then you immediately put your sell stop somewhere below the line, not pennies below. You see here on this particular day, we had a little bit of a shadow that violated the line, but we want to give this a little bit of a cushion. As we go on and talk about the 1% rule, you'll have a better understanding as to how to set your stops in percentages to your account. But right now, I'm giving you the general idea. Of course, there's a lot more to learn about breakout strategies and how to set your stops. I'm just giving you a little taste here. But the breakout strategy is basically an idea that puts you in a position when the buyers are taking back control from the sellers. So if the sellers have control at this particular point, the buyers move in, push those sellers back, and generally what happens is you'll see the stock run to higher levels. Again, this is usually a 2 to 3 day strategy at the most, but sometimes you get lucky and you'll get a little bit of a run. That's the purpose of the trailing stop, is to help you capture those profits along the way. So hopefully this has helped you a bit. Be sure to stay close with the Market Guys and the educational page. You might want to check into some of the other services that we have as far as educational products, one-on-one mentoring or coaching, and all you have to do is send us an email. We'll be happy to respond and customize something that'll meet your needs. Have a great trading day.
This video segment is a small part of what the Market Guys offer through their educational products and services. If you are interested in any of our Trade Alert services, or you would like more information about our one-on-one mentoring program, simply contact us at info@themarketguys.com.